Hello, my denture community. What is up? I hope everyone's doing good and feeling good. It is 3 o'clock in the morning, and your girl is up. So don't judge me. I have no makeup on. Yeah, I have a little gloss here, but very rarely will you catch me with that off. But anyway, that's all I want to tell you at the time. I'm joking. As you see from the title, this is about the Russell Klein measuring points. You have to do this for him to know what size trays to send you for your impressions. Now I'm just basically showing you what he's sending us, anyone that's going through him, the photos with no teeth, with teeth, and no matter what you got in your face, no teeth, a few teeth, all your teeth, the measurements are the same. Yeah. So yeah, as you know, as a YouTuber, some of you that are watching me, you do get repeated questions, and it's okay. I mean, it's part of our little wanting to help out, you know. Even though you have videos out there that explains everything. And actually the instructions that he sends do explain everything, but I get it. You want to get it right. I get it. Because you are going through mail order. So yeah. Trust me, I get it. I've been through the steps myself. And I think the measurements are just more nerve-wracking than taking the impressions. Now, if you have a friend, go get them to help you out. I think the hardest part was the upper. I had no teeth, of course. And you have to hang up. Well, I wouldn't lay it on my back on the bed and had my head hanging over, and I had help. They took pictures, and this is nerve-wracking. So yeah. I hope this helps, and you know, it's very important that you keep the communication going with Russell Klein. Be patient with him. You're not the only one that he's working on, denture-wise, of course. So just be patient. I'm here at my best as a customer, trying to help as much as I can, and I love it. I actually had my 2 first conference calls, face-to-face, FaceTime, yesterday, actually, on Facebook. It was fun. Haven't done that in a year, almost a year, just helping out through FaceTime. That was fun. It was really cool. But anyway, I'm here at my best for you. Let me just get on with this video. Yeah, everyone have a healthy day. I appreciate you. And I will see you in the comment section. Bye, guys. Now, the measurements and the photos that he does request, it's very important that you do. He cannot send you the impression kit until he has these things. So he knows what size tray to send you. It doesn't have to be perfect. He just needs to know where to place the teeth. I'm here if you need me. Thank you. Bye.